My name is Julio Leal. I'm the head of localization at Ciena, and it's a telecommunication company. Well, I think the Think Global Forum is a great opportunity for localization industry leaders to share expertise and share ideas in a changing environment every day, and I think that it's a good opportunity for us to meet and create a good environment for us. Well, what we've seen at Ciena is a shift in the world economy, and we've seen a huge demand for languages that used to be considered as minority languages are now becoming like most popular languages, and there's a huge demand for those, not only at B2B level but B2C level, and that's creating a huge demand for specialized experts and translators. And I think that it's going to be a huge challenge for us in the future. Well, we've seen a few forces disrupting the industry. Probably from a content perspective, we've seen the Internet of Things and the artificial intelligence is creating a huge demand for content across the globe. And I think that all industry need to be prepared for that.